Alright, here we go. I saw the road was just disappearing there. Bye, thank you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, I am in Kosovo at the moment. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning and I am not sure about the border crossings from Kosovo to Albania. I have to check it out. So I'm going to the nearest town from here first and then I'll see from there. I will just go to have some breakfast first and then we'll be on our way. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, this is like Asia. We're soon out of this. So strange. It's like when I entered the city yesterday in the evening, it felt like it was a whole totally different part of the world. And today in broad daylight, it seems like almost like home again. Okay, so I just realized that I'm already at the border to Albania. So that was truly a short ride in Kosovo. But then again, I don't have that much time, so I think I might cross into Albania as I already stand here. So yeah, let's go to Albania. Okay, let's do this. Hello?
Gentlemen?
What's that?
Okay. Libres? No, this is for in Kosovo.
Oh, this is... okay. This is a green card.
Libres, what Libres and my friend, please, document for the motor.
Oh yeah, it's that. Transport. No, this one. That one. Yeah. That is. Okay. Thank you. It's another checkpoint. It's at another checkpoint. Another checkpoint there. For no, it's only one here.
Sorry, where are you doing?
Albania is another checkpoint further ahead, or this Albania
Yes.
right now.
Where are you going in Albania?
To Peshkopi.
Peshkopi, good. You have too much kilometers for in Peshkopi, but
Okay.
it's still slow.
Okay.
You have to break.
Okay. Bye. Right, so yeah, this is empty. Right, so that was fairly easy, I must say. I actually think I can officially say we are in Albania. Oh wow. So let's get ourselves to Kukës. And I don't want to say what that sounds like in Swedish. You can look it up. And there is Albania for you. Hills, mountains, lakes, villages, winding roads, sunshine, 29 degrees, bad motorcyclist, no traffic, which was a good thing back there. I'm in a so much better spirit today. I gotta find an ATM and take out some Albanian lek, which is the currency here. I am only gonna stay in Albania for like 2 days or so, so I won't be needing much, but I just want a little something for some roadside shops, water, yeah, you know. And the currency is very low according to the Swedish krona, which means that I actually can bring some of it home as a souvenir if I don't spend it all. Wow, look at these mountains. So I decided to do things in the right order for once. So I'm already booked a hotel in Kukës. It's free to cancel before 6 o'clock this evening, and it's not very far away from here. So yeah, let's go to Kukës or Kukës. Look at that. All right. Go. So the road was just disappearing there. It's not very safe, is it? Okay. Just gotta stop for a while. Look at that road. And this. That is awesome. I guess this isn't very stable, so I shouldn't stay here too long. Just gonna change the battery in my GoPro and we'll be on our way. Right, let's get going again. Absolutely fantastic. So nice. I mean, the road is bad, but it's not too bad. It's okay. I think it's much better than the one in Bosnia. That one was crazy. No big deal. It's a really cool road. Hi. It's a little village. Look at that. Hi. Oh, it's hot. It's 33 degrees Celsius now. I don't know what it is in Fahrenheit, but it's hot. And I am wondering where I'm at. I am not sure. This looks like a quite big city. So this is absolutely boiling. It's 34 degrees now. I got to stop this. Oh, I really don't know. So, how far is it to Peshkopi? It's only 74 kilometers. Actually thinking about going there because it's just 1 o'clock. I don't need to stay this early because I can cancel the reservation for this hotel here in Kukës. I know I always say this, but I should be there quite early. So yeah, it's really hot and I don't know what to do here. Okay, so I booked a hotel in Peshkopi. On to the next. Oh, look at this. I was just about to pack my things here in the GoPro bag and I just realized that one of the batteries, see, it has, I actually think it has exploded or burned. Luckily it didn't start to burn in my bag. Oops.